It is also the intersection of three walls and 3.2 it is. So I'm going to take one column here also. I'm going to take one column here also. Now, because the long span beam is coming from this side, 3.88 almost. Okay, this is what 3.88. So I think we should take this. Okay, after that, take this column from here to here. Now this is done. Next, what I can do, like, okay, after this, I will like take the column at each point here also. Our structure is symmetrical. Okay, our structure is what? Symmetrical. So what I'm going to do here, take this here, take this here, and take this see, from here to here. This is done. Okay. Now I will have to take all of these columns from here to here. Take copy of all of this and take it from here to here. Is that all okay? Will you allow this or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, after that, what I would like to do here, now, it is the easiest part to take the column here. Okay. So what will become actually, try to understand, you all are with me or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Column
sir.
to three will come here. This is the, okay, I will show you by the green color. This is the green one is your beam. So beam is coming from here, column to column. Then it is a small span is there, 3.2. Let's say 3 only, 3.28 feet. So it is going to become almost 9. So 9 to 10 feet is there only. So it is not much span is there. So what I will like to do, I will take this beam like this. So one end is fixed, another end is going to become hinged. That is what pinned connection means. Simply supported beam it will be on this side. Simply supported end it is, not the beam. It is a simply supported end. And left end is what? Fixed. Now, so that beam is going to become what? Prop the cantilever beam. Is that out? Is that right or wrong? Hello?
Right,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So next, just go to this and clear this all. Now, what next step I would like to follow? Okay. So yeah. Actually, the problem for this line, the major line is what? Try to understand. You need to find the line. So this is the line. Okay. So what we can do, clear this all. Take this column from here to take this column from here to here. I'm going to take one column. Or another option is what? This is also the end. This is also the point. These 2 points are. So if I'm taking the column here, the problem is what? I need to like make this part as cantilever first. Otherwise, I need to take the column here. Otherwise, I need to take the column here. And I need to take the, suppose what will be there? Try to understand. If I'm taking my column here, so what will be there? What problem I need to face? Sorry. इसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है आपको? यहां पर हम लोगों को एक कॉलम लेना पड़ेगा. देन अगर यहां पर आप नहीं लेते हो, देन यू नीड टू टेक द वन कॉलम हियर. देन ओनली योर बीम इज कमिंग फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर लाइक दिस. सो अगर आप ठीक है यहां पर लेते हो, अगर यहां लेते हो तो आपको ये कैंटिलीवर करना पड़ेगा. यहां पर लेते हो तो फिर ये पैसेज में आपका बीम आएगा. हेलो?
यस सर.
ओके. सो ये दोनों ऑप्शंस, यहां पर एक कॉलम का ऑप्शन है. प्लस वन मोर थिंग, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड हियर. ये बहुत क्लोज भी हो जाएगा आपका. इट इज ओनली 3.8 मीटर विल बी देयर ओनली. सो इसके लिए हम लोग क्या करते हैं, और अगर आगे भी हम लोग लेते हैं तो ये कॉलम आपका यहां पर आएगा. आगे तो हम लोग के सारे कॉलम यहीं पर आने वाले हैं. ओके, यहाँ पर आएगा आपका कॉलम, फिर यहाँ पर कॉलम लेंगे. मोस्ट प्रोबेबल वो आगे का डिस्कशन है. दैट इज व्हाट द लेटर डिस्कशन. So यहाँ पर तो अब line is going to be changed. What one assumptions we are having? All the columns should be
in one line.
in same line.
Welcome you all in ISO certified live training program ETABS, RCDC and Excel that makes you a professional structural engineer. In this training program you will learn everything about ETABS and RCDC from basic to advanced, real life project of medium rise structure from architecture plan to final design sheet, real life project of high rise structure with all advanced topics, design of structural elements using advanced Excel sheets. Have a look over the features of this training. Daily live classes conducted by expert for 1.5 hours. Recording of every session with lifetime access. Can interact with expert anytime 24/7. Exposure to real practice. ISO certification of training completion. It's 5-star rated training program. Till now more than 1,000 participants have benefited from this training program. Now you are the next.